Hello, Centennial. Today I'm going to show you how to forecast for your classes. When you log into StudentVue, you're going to come to your main screen, and over on the left side, you're going to see an option that says Course Request. Please select that, and it will take you to a different screen. Once you come to the Course Request screen, you will notice that you already have pre-slugged courses. This is specific to your grade level and should match your forecast guide. You will notice on the side over here, there is a lock course request. Please do not select that at all in this process. Over here, we want to change the course request. We're going to select this box. It's going to pop to a new screen, and now you can see you have all of your classes. Advisory has already been put in here for you. Down at the bottom, this is where you can search by course name. You can also do it up here, but it's just going to bring you back down here anyway. So let's go ahead and start forecasting for our electives. I'm going to type in French because I want to take French next year. You will see that French has both an A and a B section. Please make sure that you are looking at that. If a course has an A and a B option, that you're going to want to make sure you forecast for both of them. Right here, it says you can't forecast for Part B because you haven't taken Part A. However, I can come in and request Part A, and now notice that Part B is an option. So I'm also going to add that. So again, please make sure that you know if a class has an A and a B, you want both. I'm also going to go ahead and forecast for accounting. When I come in here, again, there's an A and a B part, so I need to make sure I add both. I'm going to forecast for A, and now I'm going to forecast for B. In addition, we want to make sure that these other classes, like our language arts classes, are the classes we want to take. Maybe you'll be taking a different language arts class. We can come down here and look for the various language arts classes. And I can see here, I can take honors language arts. So I have A and B. Again, I've been going to take honors, so I'm going to add language arts honors A and add B. And then up here, I would remove the other language arts. So I can remove those as well. So you can select which language arts, which science, and which social studies you would like. Please remember that you need to select 16 classes. There is no way to see a number, so you'll have to just go through and manually count to make sure that you have 16 classes selected. And then you need to make sure that you have 4 alternative classes. These alternative classes are classes you are willing to take if you cannot get into the classes you select first. So right here, I can see I could be a social studies peer tutor. So I'm going to add that as an alternative. I can add speech as an alternative. So you just select as alternative to your schedule, and you need 4 of those. The other thing that's not in here that you need to select is your math class. So you're going to come in and select math, and then you would come down and select the appropriate math class that your math teacher has said you should be taking. So in this instant, my math teacher told me I should be in Algebra 2A. So I see 2A right here. And again, I need to remember that I have to register for 2B. So I'm going to select 2A and 2B. And again, I'm going to go through and make sure I have 16 classes and 4 alternative classes. 16 classes and 4 alternative classes. Sophomores, you are going to forecast as a full-time student at Centennial, regardless of your Cal status. Again, sophomores, forecast as if you are a full-time student at here at Centennial, regardless of your Cal status, and juniors, you can come down and look for Cal and see if Cal pops up. If it does, you'll want to forecast for Cal A, B, and C. So you'll want to see if it's in juniors that are already in Cal should have Cal as an option. You'll want to save your changes. Again, do not lock them. If you have any questions, please make sure that you talk to your teachers to help you forecast.